In 1915, after giving general theory of relativity, and by mid-1920, with the development of both general and special relativity, Einstein becomes one of the great scientists in science history. Astronomers had verified the exact idea what precisely Einstein had predicted about the bending of starlight as it travels around the sun. Einstein was celebrated as the successor to Isaac Newton. Now, after revealing all these secrets of nature, deep inside, Einstein was still not satisfied and wanted to try last one, world-class theory, a unified field theory, what we call theory of everything, a theory which would explain all the forces in nature, including light and gravity. This theory was to have been a crowning achievement for his lifetime. But after failing 3 times, his frustration grew from the structure of his own equations. For 30 years, he researched and tried every possible way, from trees to clouds to stars to heavens, without any more solid leads and experimental data. Everything seemed to be the illusion for him, and he started feeling to be going into airy-fairy. And then, in April 1919, Einstein received a letter from an unknown mathematician, which appeared to be like exactly what he was waiting for. The letter was from Theodor Kaluza, who proposed a solution to the greatest problem of the century. This is the birth of Kaluza-Klein theory. In just a few lines, he united the Einstein's theory of gravity and Maxwell's equations and introduced one more element, that is fifth dimension, 4 dimension of space and 1 dimension of time. What shocked to Einstein was that an unknown scientist mixes the 2 giant theories of science in just one stroke. He was deeply shaken by Kaluza's letter because he was unable to believe how could a simple idea explain the most fundamental theory. He thought it was a trick or some black magic and refused to respond to the article. Finally, after a struggle over the letter for 2 years, he was convinced and submitted for the publication with the title On the Unity Problem of Physics. The unknown letter Einstein read for 2 years for solution, and with this, the letter becomes the longest letter to respond to in the history. Thank you so much.